Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jenée, and if you're new here, my channel is supposed to be about hair, beauty, lifestyle, and product reviews, but my channel has mainly been about my DIY microloc journey. The goal is for my channel to be about those four things, but so far, thanks for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for my upcoming content. So come on, let's get into the video. I have been away for a while, and I know that I promised you guys that I had a video coming, but that just didn't happen. I will get into more about me at the end of the video so that we can get into the content of this video now. I am going to show you a 360 of my hair right now because I know that a lot of people are here to see my hair. So let's get into it. For those who have been with me from the start of this DIY microloc'd situation, y'all know that we have come a long way. So I hope this video is very much inspiration for anybody who has started their microlocks or just your lock journey, period. I hope this video is an inspiration that locks are definitely like a butterfly effect. Like you have to start off as a little worm, you know, and then you'll just blossom. So I'm praying that this video meets the right people, because I know a lot of people that have told me, oh, I'm in this microloc journey or I'm in this lock journey and I'm ready to quit. And I'm like, no, sis, don't quit. Like, look. This is what you could have. And I'm not saying that your locks will ever look just like mine, but the length, baby, the length, the heaviness. I don't have super thick hair. So y'all see it. Y'all see it. So yeah. Stay with it, sis. So let's get into some of the things that I have been going through lately with my locks. I still do the 4-point rotation method around 360 on all of my locks. As you can see, this is the product of doing the 4-point rotation method. I self-retie every 4 weeks. It takes me about 12 hours. Sometimes I break it up. I'll do one half a day on the top part and then the other half on another day. So usually it takes me 2 days. I'm not ever gonna cut them. The only way I would cut them is if I have like super bad damage or, you know, just to trim them up so that they all align. But really, I don't care about all that. I'm not cutting my locks. I have combined locks in the back just to speed up my lock process, and it didn't change the way my locks look. It actually helps some because some of them were about to break since I had the postpartum. I had locks that honestly did break. Actually, let me show y'all. Let me find them. Okay. So this lock right here and this lock right here, they were on the same pace. And as you can see, that's what postpartum did. But it's cool. It's gonna be all right. I still don't use no oil. I use water. I do use a Cantu product here and there. And it's real like water based. I could tell. I use that sometimes. When I shampoo and condition at least once per month. Sometimes I'll do it twice if I feel like my hair is really dry, because sometimes your hair can feel really dry. It's summertime now. Well, almost summertime. The air can be really drying where I'm at. And so my hair will be like really dry. And since my hair is fully locked, I can now use conditioner from time to time. So I definitely use conditioner. Some issues that I've been having is frizziness in the middle. Y'all see it. And don't get me wrong, like, I feel like it's my hair. So if I have a problem with frizziness, that's me. Like, I'm one of the type of girls, I really like my locks to, it could be a little frizzy, but I'm telling you, like, I'll go through my scalp and literally, like, this is a lot of hair to me that's out of the lock. I don't know why when I retie it, I try to put the hair back in, and usually it just comes right back out. As soon as I wash the hair, just come right back out. I don't know what to do about that. I'm not using gels. I'm just not into that. So I guess it's just going to be a never-ending struggle. Some people have it worse than I do. So then some people feel like I'm complaining for no reason. My sister, she has locks, and she's like, that's what comes with it. Like, sis, it's supposed to be a little frizzy. And I'm like, yeah, that's cool, but this my hair, and I don't want it frizzy. So that's another thing that, like, it's kind of been bothering me, but it's not really a big deal. I'm super satisfied with my hair. This is the best decision I ever made. I'll never go back. If I go back, I'll probably be an old lady. And no offense to nobody that's older, but I'm in my mid-20s. I'll probably be 40, 50 when I'm tired of it. I'll probably cut it down, but I'm not cutting my hair. I still like to spray smell goods in my hair. You can watch previous videos that I've posted to see, or you can look down in the description box for all the products that I use. I don't have the current length, but I'll post it. And then you guys can look in the description box to see where I started and where I've come. Let me make sure I don't want to forget anything. There's not really too much that I have to update you guys. It's just that the length. And before I started my locks, I kind of had layers in there. So it's growing in layers, as y'all can see. That doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me. I'm not trimming them up because it's just, this is my hair. I don't gotta do too much. I was thinking about doing a wig or doing some braids, but I just be like, once you get locks and you get used to just getting up and spreading some water in it and then keeping it moving, and your hair look good. Everybody just compliment me on my hair, tell me how good my hair look. You be like, I'm not finna stress my hair. I mean, but for some people, to each their own, but for me, it's just like my hair look good all the time. And then when you get braids and stuff over your lot, then you gotta worry about them getting thin and not. But I do get bored, so I'm not gonna dye my hair, but I might try a protective style over my locks. We just gonna have to see. So then let's get into some life updates. I know that you guys who have been with me see that I have braces. I went and got some braces. My daughter, she is about 1.5 years, so still running around chasing her. I'm working multiple jobs. I graduated college, found me a job in my field. I also have another job just to keep me busy, because once I sat out for those 2 years, it was like, girl, it's time to get to work. So I'm just working my butt off. That's why y'all haven't been seeing me, because I just be working. Like, I kind of like being a workaholic. I take care of my baby, I work. Take care of my baby, work. Every single day I work. So I like it. I can't complain. God has been very good to me. I've been manifesting. I've been praying. Everything that I put on my vision board has been coming to fruition. So that's just a little bit of positivity for y'all. I know that, like, that's not what this video was about, but we need to hear it. I need you guys to start journaling, manifesting, making vision boards. It really does work. But anyway, some common questions that I have gotten. Somebody asked me, why did I transition to the 4-point rotation? I did a little bit of research, and they just said that the 4-point rotation is a more tighter, neat looking rounded lock. So that's why when you do like the 2-point rotation, it's a little bit more loose, kind of almost like getting a retwist instead of a retie, and I wanted the retie look. And then it just I heard that 2-point rotation, it doesn't last as long as like a 4-point rotation, where you're folding the hair on top of each other a little bit more tighter. So do your own research. That's what I came up with, and that's the reasoning behind why I chose to keep the 4-point rotation method. Somebody also asked me, how do I get my locks to look so smooth? Honestly, I just think it's hair texture, the density of my hair, and the method that I use all combined. So that maybe is why they seem to appear smooth looking. I don't know. But with that being said, this video, I knew it wasn't going to be too long, but that is my 2.5 year DIY Microloc'd journey. I hit 2.5 on June 12th. Today is June the 20th, so I'm so sorry. It's basically 2.5 years, y'all. If you would like to see more content, I have a whole playlist full of my DIY Microloc'd journey. You can definitely go click that. Watch the videos you want to watch. Please comment down below what you guys would like to see. Any questions that you have that I could definitely answer. What products do you guys use if you're locked? I can always use recommendations. And how is your lock journey going? Let me know if you're in the process. What part of the process are you in? And how do you feel? Like, do you feel like you're ready to give up? Do you feel like this was the best decision? Will you cut your lock? I want to hear it from y'all, like what y'all going through, because I probably went through it too. So definitely comment below and let me know what you're going through. Also, can y'all comment down and let me know how long y'all been locked? Definitely leave a comment below. Well, with that being said, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel, and I will be back with another update, hopefully soon, but I'm not going to promise y'all nothing because a sister be working. So with that being said, bye. Love you guys.